Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We got a 2018 Kenworth W900 factory built glider kit. Built with a 3406 cat, 18 speed, 550 overall on the miles, and a little over 100,000 miles with a complete engine overhaul. Gold kit with a head with the paperwork. I've gotten it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, everything that we got here. Let's go ahead and get started. Blow by looks great. Southern truck, no rust. Body's in good shape. A few little spots of clear coat right there. Saw a little bit just up on the top. Little spot on that fender. Overall, really nice though. Grill looks great, no busted up fenders. Tanks are in good shape. Back of the cab looks nice, no, it's not beat up. These half fenders definitely help with that. Each fender's got a crack in that on each side. From vibration. It's been used, still pretty secure though. Matched Falcon virgin rubber, AG 400 suspension. Does have a bendable fifth wheel. Good brakes. Love the extended cab on these Kenworths. Gives you that extra room that's much needed. This one does have full lockers. There's your switches, extra gauges. Nice and clean on the inside. It's up to operating temp. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPM. There's the jakes are on. Oil pressure comes up exactly like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Hope you like this truck as much as I do. Give me a call if you got any questions, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.